So, can you tell me the last thing I need to buy? Yeah, more screwdrivers. Box is kind of messed up because they shipped it just like this in a box, which was kind of crazy, but got the Wera USA Screwdriver Set. Here's what the box looks like. And if you've used screwdrivers at all, you know that some aren't worth their weight, and some are just better than others. And I've tried a lot of different screwdrivers, and some just fit the screw better, some wear out faster. And out of all my screwdrivers I have, I'd say Wera, Weha, or VI, Vessel, they're my best, for sure. Not to say others are bad, but these just fit better. Got a couple, didn't have a set, but use these more than any. I'll show you why. For one, they fit so well. This ain't magnetic, but it just fits that good. And it did fall, but it got, I can't really show this. Let's pull out the new ones. They got laser tip, which helps grip the screw. Got the cheap little plastic holder. And what I came for. Also comes with a cute little sticker. And these are affordable too. About $50. Let's see. 4 flathead, 2 Phillips, and a bottle opener, which some people would buy it just for the bottle opener. They got the set, the bottle opener and a Phillips number 2 for about $25 if you want that. And the only thing they could improve on is they got 4 flathead. They should have 4 Phillips, 2 flathead, but one of the flathead, let's see if I can zoom in. Got laser tip, which does help. And these don't wear out like some screwdrivers. Been using this old one for over a year. Still just as good as new. Blue and red, if you can't tell. Got, I think all of them have that. Yeah, they have a star on the top. I guess that's for USA. Yeah, the regular set says what it is. This is a Phillips number 2. This is a Phillips number 1. The Wera tools are German, but let's see. This is right. Made in Czech Republic. Yeah, you can get these on Amazon. You can get them on KC Tool. The handles are really comfortable. My second favorite screwdriver. These. But the tip does give up some. Use this a lot. Not as strong. So yeah, don't really have too much to say. They're screwdrivers, but check them out while they're just a limited edition. So get them while you can.